going to do a chain in sets of 4, as many as you like in sets of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you're going to add 3 extra stitches. 1, 2 and 3. You're going to work 1 single crochet into the second stitch in your chain, 1 and 2. Put 1 single crochet into the next stitch. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Skip 3, 1, 2, 3, and do a single crochet into the next stitch. You're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, skip 3, 1, 2, 3, and single crochet all the way along. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then do a single crochet. 1, 2, 3, chain, skip 3, 1, 2, 3, and single crochet. 1, 2, 3. You're going to skip 3, 1, 2, 3, and you should have 2 stitches left. You're going to do a single crochet into that stitch and a single crochet into your last stitch. Chain 1 and turn, and you're just going to repeat that. Put a single crochet into your first stitch, a single crochet into the second stitch, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, skip the chain and do a single crochet into the one that's there, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, skip the chain and do a single crochet, 1, 2, 3, skip the chain, single crochet, 1, 2, 3, skip the chain, and single crochet, 1, 2, 3, and you'll put a single crochet into your last 2 stitches. And that's the row. You'll keep repeat. So just keep repeating that 1 row. And this is what you get. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, click on the bell icon, you'll get notified when I put up another tutorial, and give the video a thumbs up. It will help my channel to be seen more.